In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between enable single entry per day on and off. In the options of the time entry grid, you'll see an option here, enable single entry per day. When this is on, what that means is that a whole number can be entered like this. It was already 4 and now I'm making it 5, or I can make it 6. I just changed the number in there, and that's what the time entry for that day will be. If I want to clear it, I can just simply clear it, and then that whole entry is gone. When single entry per day is not on, you'll see a whole number here, but then when you click into it, the number's gone, and now you enter the next amount. So if you entered another hour on this task, then you would put another hour, and now it's 5. Or if I do then 2 more hours, now it's 7. So this creates many different entries and allows you to have a different description and a different time code. So this is how you would have more granular or detailed control of the time entry grid. So the user can choose the different modes. By default, it should be on, meaning that single entry per day, that's the simpler way. Or in the time entry default grid settings, you can actually force single entry per day on all users and make this the global default so that nobody can choose it. So the default can be enable it on with this off, and then the user can decide how they want to use the time entry grid. Or you can say everyone has to do single entry per day by choosing this option. So that's what this option does, and it allows you to have a simple experience for the time entry grid with enable single entry per day, or a more advanced experience by allowing you to enter every entry you do. Every time you come back, you add more to the time entry grid. So that gives you more control.